welcome again to my channel DJ's Fitness and Rehab. This is Devojyoti Banerjee, physical therapist at Peak Performance Sports Rehab. So today I'm going to demonstrate you 3 easy gluteus strengthening exercises. So let me tell you first, gluteus is our hip musculature, which is further divided into 3 groups: gluteus maximus, gluteus medius and gluteus minimus. So today I am going to focus on gluteus maximus, which is our primary weight bearing muscle. So let us take a quick demonstration on how gluteus weakness affect our well-being. So this is a weak gluteus posture from side view. You can see hip weakness leads to tightening of their opposing muscles, which are hip flexors, and thus leads to pulling of the pelvis anteriorly from its neutral position, which creates a biomechanical imbalance in our body. You can see an exaggerated lower lumbar arch due to this, which creates excessive pressure over there and results in lumbar spondylosis, lower back pain kind of things. This can also lead in imbalance of other joints of our body. So after getting back into the normal strength of gluteus, you can see pelvis comes back to its neutral position, and also the arch of lumbar reduced up to its neutral position. So thus weight distribution improved and helps in reduction of the lower lumbar stress and pressure with the other joints too. So let's now directly shift to the strengthening exercises portion. Our first exercise is gluteus bridges, which is very common exercise. To perform this exercise, we have to lie face up. Then we have to fold our knees and place our heels at the same level of our hip. We have to place our heels as much as closer to our hip joint. Then we have to squeeze and engage our abdomen. Then we have to lift up our waist like this. So at the end range, we have to squeeze our buttock muscle, and keep in mind, you can see the knee joint is lying at the 90-degree portion. So at the end range, you have to maintain a straight bridge. There should not be any kink or angle at the waist. So your abdomen should be engaged, and you have to perform this exercise like this way. So you can hold it to make it isometric contraction. You can hold it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make it down gently and slowly. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and slowly down. So our next exercise is 4-point alternate hip extension. To perform this exercise, we have to come to a 4-point position. So how can we measure the 4-point position? I have shown in my second video. So you have to take from your elbow, and the tip of the finger you have to place your heel. So now you have to straighten your spine, and you have to straighten your legs behind like this way and squeeze your buttock. So your spine should not be rounded, it should be straight. Your shoulder should maintain at 90 degree, and also hip and knee angle should be at the 90 degree position. So now alternately you have to kick or straighten your leg back, which we call extension, and you have to keep concentrating on your hip while doing this. So third and final exercise is kneel squat. To perform this exercise, we have to come to kneeling position. We have to place our knees wider than the shoulder point. Then we have to straighten our spine and place our hands across the shoulders, relax our toes. Then we have to push back and try to sit over the heels very slowly and gently. Then we have to come up and stand and have to squeeze the buttock. Then we have to release and try to sit back again like this way. You have to sit back and touch our buttock at the heel and come up and stand and squeeze the buttock. So who have knee restrictions, they can use a pillow over your heel, then try to sit over the pillow. That can reduce the range of the knee. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please try this exercise. This is very effective. And please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon down there to get notified for my upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, take care.